Provision 4. Allah, the Exalted, is the one who is infinitely bountiful, and bestows favors and blessings without recompense or external cause. He gives generously without being asked. The Muslim who understands this divine name will always seek bounty and blessings from Allah, the Exalted, as they know the bestower loves to be asked. This is confirmed in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 3571. But it is important to know, the one who seeks bounty from the bestower should know it is not gained through his disobedience. Any worldly blessings obtained through the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, will only become a burden for its possessor in both worlds. A Muslim should instead strive to obtain beneficial blessings from the bestower by fulfilling his commands, refraining from his prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. When a Muslim truly understands that all blessings have been given by the bestower, they will show true gratitude to him. This is when one uses all the blessings they possess according to the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. This leads to an increase in blessings. Chapter 14, Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
A Muslim should act on this divine name by bestowing the blessings they have been given to others for the pleasure of Allah, the Exalted. The one who gives to others will be given more than they could have ever imagined. Chapter 2, Al-Baqarah, verse 245.
Who is it that would loan Allah a goodly loan, so he may multiply it for him many times over? And it is Allah who withholds and grants abundance, and to him you will be returned.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.